guys, it's Courtney back with another video.
Bring the action.
What you make me do? What you make me do? What you make me do? I wanna see
Because you know I'm all about that. Starting, I feel like, again, because I've had help. I have a camera woman.
Hey.
Yeah. She will be doing my edits and intros and outros and everything. So round of the applause. But in this video, if you can tell by the title, I will be reviewing her slime. Because that's not...
She came to my house today, obviously, as you can tell. And, yeah, I'll let you kind of explain what you did.
I bought a ton of slimes. Like, I went on a spree. And this is one of her slimes that she's selling.
It's a little bit foggy because she was playing with it, but, like...
It's so good. And it's, like, it has holographic glitter in it. And it has...
some secret glitter.
Okay, so on to the slimes. So, first I'll just start off. I got some sugar beads. Because, like, I need these. Some plans. And then I got these micro beads, which are like, they're so weird because if you squeeze them, you kind of don't feel it. I don't know why you would squeeze it, but...
This is a 6 ounce of the sugar beads, and this is like a 12 ounce of the micro beads, by the way.
And this is a label.
Oh yeah, I just put one of my little labels on it. Everything has a label except for the slimes in the bags because we didn't have time to do that.
Yeah, because we made these together. So it's really good. I kind of named this one like the party because it has both of these beads in it, and it has like rainbow beads, and well, I call them beads, but I guess they're like
Foam beads.
Yeah, I couldn't think of the name. They have like rainbow foam, and it has purple glitter. And then it also has something else in it, but it is secret because...
the beads are flying everywhere.
This one, we were just like, we tried this weird clay, like not weird clay, but like clay that we have no idea what the name is. But it actually kind of turned out good. So it's kind of like a mix of cloud slime that kind of failed at first, but it worked out because it's actually right here, which that will be the next slime that I show, I guess, and clay. So it's like a butter slime, cloud slime, and it's actually really cool. It's really small though because we didn't want to like use a lot of it, but this is the slime that is the exact same thing as this,
but just no clay.
Yeah, no clay and different color, but that's because of clay. So yeah, this one is just like, I don't know. Next one, I have no idea. Oh, this is my cloud slime. This one's like super
Yeah,
cloud.
way better than mine.
At first. So yeah, oh yeah, we need to put it back. Okay.
It's kind of fun being behind the camera. Sorry.
What?
So it's kind of fun being behind the camera.
Oh, it's fine.
We might film a video, and if we do, then I will link it in the corner with the eye in the corner because I have an idea of what we could do.
This one, I have no idea what this one is. Yeah, we had extra snow and we didn't want to like throw it away, so we just added glue and extra snow.
Oh my gosh, that green one!
It's really pretty. If I need to like move it all or anything.
Yeah, like put your hand behind it so I can see how clear it is.
It's super pretty.
Move down, lower, like there. Okay, then you can like just leave it in that position, like open it and poke it so they can clear. Oh my gosh, it's like.
It's super. It's super clear, but like, my nails are disgusting.
Oh my gosh, that was super loud because I'm so close to the microphone.
Next, I'm not going to play with this one, I'm really sorry, but it's just super pretty. And there's a beautiful label.
Those labels are so bland.
Super pretty. Like, look how pretty that is.
Thank you.
Okay, Next one, I'm just kind of grabbing them randomly. This one is really good. It has crunchy beads in it.
Sorry, there's like really weird lighting. It just got like really dim.
And it has like those one like really pretty sparkles in it too. I really like this one.
Okay, move it perfect. Oh gosh. You gonna make it like
Blooper. Just drinking in the background. I really want. Okay, so sorry. We gotta edit some of that out. Is this good?
yeah, that's good.
So this one is so good. It's so crunchy. I'll just stop talking so you can hear it. Oh, here's another one with a beautiful label that's popping out. Little
Sorry, I'm just like,
stuff there.
I mean, it is crunchy. But like, ready?
So this one,
The
not
fake-
the fake snow, but like the
I call it
fake
fake cloud slime. Because it's like a cheap
it's
to
the
cloud slime.
fake snow.
So this is Barbie's cloud. These are clear, but they don't look clear because we made them.
We recently made them, or we've been playing with them. So this one is like a. Okay, I'm gonna say it both ways because both people like say it both ways. Caramel is what I pronounce it, or
Caramel.
caramel. Yeah.
I know it's caramel, that's how everyone else says it, but I say caramel to be fancy.
And it's so pretty because it looks exactly like caramel. This one is super clear and it's super pretty. They just got all that.
Thank you.
Highly recommend it. Okay, this next one, I love this container.
I've been shooting this to block out the noise, by the way, so you can actually hear it.
Okay, this one. I call it like mistake beads when they have like a little bit of beads and stuff. But this one has like a little bit of beads. And it's clear and it has like has some like reflective snowflakes.
Reflective?
Yeah. Yeah. Block that. No, I'm just kidding. This one has two different names. Like, she calls it Nickelodeon slime. I call it zombie slime.
Well,
just because I like that name.
That seems like black. And I call that one Zombies, named after the movie Zombies, which is kind of cringy. Like, I didn't really like it that much.
I didn't see it. But, yeah.
The name of this slime is Sky Floam.
So this next slime is really pretty.
Slime that I've been playing with, by the way.
Beautiful. So this one is like super good. Let me give it some ASMR.
Why is that actually satisfying?
It's really pretty. It has a really pretty color. I love the beads. This one is very, very butter. And this one, this one smells so good. But
This one is also
she
in my shop. Wink, wink.
had a one that was exactly like this except with Dicio clay, but it was too expensive to like keep buying and
Oh, girl,
stuff.
that's what was this.
So we made a recreation and made it with
Multi Magic, which is the version that is up on my shop.
is the one that I showed in the beginning,
Yeah.
which was this.
So
one.
the bigger one isn't going to be as clear. We played with it, but this one
Bigger.
is. Do you want to say the name?
Right?
Yeah,
Did I
you
just
want
call it? This one is like kind of like a clear slime, so I don't know if it's gonna be like.
Yo, look how clear! Oh, just really blurry. I tried to capture
Ready,
it.
ready?
I couldn't really see the frame though. Ooh, girl, slay!
Next one is clear. Clear
It
Central.
is clear, but
Clear
it's fun.
Central Live.
One time I had to turn an hour-long video into 1 minute. I'm pretty sure I can do 30 minutes into 10 minutes. The closest thing that I have to that is a Nerd Rope gummy, which is one of my personal favorites. And I'll pop some pictures of it up on the screen right now, actually. And it is super, super clear. It just has some beads. But then if you want more of a glittery, I'll pop up some pictures of unicorn glitter. Never mind. I'll pop up some pictures of unicorn glitter right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop up a picture or a video from my Instagram of unicorn glitter. Like y'all.
So the next one is really good. I'm not gonna really get it out because this one is more on the stickier side, but it's super good still. So I don't know if this one really has a name. Next one is another gummy that we were talking about. That
Yeah,
there's a
but
picture
it's
right here.
Still not that clear. It's not as clear in the picture because, like I said, we made this one today, except for hers has a few more of red and orange.
You wanna sell slime? You talk about it.
Huh?
I said you wanna sell slime? You talk about it. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so here's the Nerd Rope gummy out of the package. This one is super good again. So that was all of these slimes that I got from her today. There was a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like always, roll the outro.
In her tall pants.
Global. I just said logo and label